Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to look at the rules for adding and subtracting negative and positive numbers. So two quick kind of diagrams that will be very helpful to you if you can remember them and apply them to any calculation, then it will help you to get through a lot faster. If we see a positive or a plus, and a minus sign, or a minus and a plus, whichever order, this equates to just the minus sign. Whereas if we see a plus and a plus next to each other, or a minus and a minus next to each other, this will always give us a positive sign, or give us a plus sign, right? Okay, let's have a look at some examples. If we start with, let's say 3, and we're first going to use a plus and then a minus. Well then, according to this table, what we should have is 3 minus 2, because the plus and the minus equals minus. And this gives us an answer of 1. In the same way, if we did it the other way around, if we had 3 minus 2, okay, so this is the same as 3 minus plus 2, we will still get 1. And if you look, these are identical and these are identical. Right. Now, if we have a look at our second kind of diagram, if we have 3 plus 2, this is the same as 3 plus 2, right? Which equals 5. Now, if we had 3 minus 2, the minus and the minus will become a plus, as we see here. Therefore, we will have 3 plus 2, which equals 5 as well. Okay? Now, let's take a look at a practice question together, and then I'll put one more on the screen for you to try alone. We have minus 5 plus minus 4. Okay? So first things first, we're looking at the two signs here. We've got a plus sign and a minus sign, which we know is going to give us a minus. So we can rewrite this as minus 5 minus 4. Okay. And when we're working with two negative numbers, we're working backwards on the number scale. So starting from minus 5, we're taking away 4, which means we'll end up with minus 9. Okay. So a question for you to try, and then you can come back and we'll solve it together. Minus 1 minus 7. Pause the video here, give it a try, and then come back and see how we solve it together. Okay, so I hope you gave that a try, and I hope you were able to arrive at your answer. If not to worry, we're going to go through it together. So first things first, we need to look at our two signs, negative and negative here, which we know is equivalent to a plus. So we can rewrite this as minus 1 plus 7, which is the same as 7 minus 1. And this equals 6. For me personally, I don't like to work with having the minus sign in front. I would much rather see this version where the positive numbers in front and we're subtracting, because it makes it a lot easier for me to calculate in my head. So I would always encourage you to do that. However, if you're comfortable with working with the negative number first and going to the right side of the number line in your head, or however you're able to calculate it, then please continue doing that. Do whatever you're comfortable with. As always, please go back into your textbook and practice as many, if not all, of the questions available to you, so you know that you know this well and you'll be able to apply it when things get a bit more complicated. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.